What would you say if we told you that Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, might reach an unprecedented value in 2024? Picture this: a digital currency born from the ether of the internet, now a global phenomenon. Its rise to prominence has been nothing short of extraordinary, and the potential for future growth is even more fascinating. Our mission today? To explore expert opinions and predictions about Bitcoin's value in the year 2024. Stick with us as we delve into the future of Bitcoin. Before we peek into the future, let's revisit the past. Bitcoin has had a roller coaster ride since its inception. Born from the mind of the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, Bitcoin was a reaction to the financial crisis of 2008. This decentralized digital currency, devoid of any governing body, began its journey at a value of mere pennies. The world didn't pay much attention until 2013, when Bitcoin's value soared to over $1,000, only to plummet back down, creating the first of its many infamous crashes. But like a phoenix, Bitcoin rose from its ashes, and by the end of 2017, it had surpassed the $20,000 mark, proving its resilience and potential. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. There were controversies, such as the Mt. Gox scandal in 2014, and regulatory challenges from governments worldwide. Yet each hurdle only seemed to make Bitcoin stronger and more resilient. Fast forward to the recent past, 2021 was a landmark year. Bitcoin peaked at a staggering $60,000, boosted by institutional investments and widespread adoption. It was a clear indication that Bitcoin was no longer a fringe experiment but a global financial phenomenon. Yet, as we've seen, Bitcoin's journey has been one of peaks and troughs, of triumphs and trials. It's a testament to its tenacity, its revolutionary potential, and the faith of its ardent supporters. Now that we've taken a brief look at Bitcoin's past, it's time to explore its potential future. What do the experts predict about Bitcoin's value in 2024? The answers might surprise you. Let's start with the more cautious outlooks. Some financial analysts, like those at the global investment firm Goldman Sachs, suggest that Bitcoin's value may experience a moderate increase. They base their prediction on factors such as the gradual mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies and technological advancements in blockchain. However, they also warn about potential regulatory hurdles that could slow down Bitcoin's growth. Now, let's turn our attention to the more optimistic forecasts. A number of crypto enthusiasts and industry insiders predict that Bitcoin's value could skyrocket to unprecedented levels. For instance, the Winklevoss twins, famous for their early investment in Bitcoin, speculate that its value could exceed $100,000 per Bitcoin. They argue that as Bitcoin becomes a more widely accepted form of payment, its value will inevitably rise. Then there are those who are wildly optimistic, like John McAfee, the eccentric tech entrepreneur. He famously predicted that Bitcoin would reach $1 million by 2020, a forecast that didn't pan out. Still, his unshakable belief in Bitcoin's potential is based on the idea that as fiat currencies continue to devalue, people will turn to decentralized digital currencies like Bitcoin. On the other hand, there are skeptics who question Bitcoin's future altogether. Renowned economist Nouriel Roubini, for instance, has consistently been a vocal critic of Bitcoin, arguing that its value could plummet to zero due to its inherent volatility and regulatory challenges. So, what does all this mean? It's simple. The future of Bitcoin, much like any other investment, is uncertain. The predictions we've discussed range from the cautiously optimistic to the wildly ambitious, and from the hopeful to the downright skeptical. It's a clear reminder that when it comes to Bitcoin's future, there's no shortage of opinions. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about the future of digital currencies, it's important to remember that these predictions are just that. Predictions. They are based on current trends and assumptions, and the future could always unfold in ways we can't anticipate. As we can see, the predictions vary greatly, but there's a common thread of anticipation and curiosity about what 2024 holds for Bitcoin. Numerous factors will shape Bitcoin's future. Some of these are in plain sight, while others are less obvious. First on our list is technological advancements. Bitcoin's value is tied directly to its underlying technology, blockchain. As this technology evolves, so does the potential for Bitcoin. Future advancements in blockchain technology, like improved scalability and enhanced security, could push Bitcoin's value to new heights. Moreover, as more industries adopt blockchain, the demand for Bitcoin could increase, leading to a rise in its value. Next, we have regulatory changes. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Some countries welcome them, while others are more skeptical. Regulatory changes can have a significant impact on Bitcoin's value. If more governments embrace cryptocurrencies and create favorable regulations, Bitcoin's value could skyrocket. Conversely, if governments crack down on cryptocurrencies, this could negatively affect Bitcoin's value. Thirdly, market sentiment plays a crucial role. Cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are driven by supply and demand. If more people believe in the future of Bitcoin and invest in it, its value will rise. This is influenced by various factors, including media coverage, public perception, and investor confidence. A positive market sentiment could propel Bitcoin's value upward. Lastly, global economic trends cannot be ignored. Factors like inflation, economic downturns, and political instability can influence Bitcoin's value. For instance, during economic crises, people often turn to alternative investments like Bitcoin. If we witness more economic instability in the future, this could drive up Bitcoin's value. In addition, the growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a form of payment by major companies could also influence its future value. As more businesses accept Bitcoin, its legitimacy and value could increase. Moreover, the limited supply of Bitcoin, only 21 million will ever exist, could also play a role. As we get closer to reaching this limit, the value of Bitcoin could potentially increase due to scarcity. These factors, among others, will play a crucial role in determining Bitcoin's value in 2024. So, how high will Bitcoin go in 2024? The truth is, no one can predict with absolute certainty. We've taken a journey through Bitcoin's recent history, seeing how it has soared, plunged, and surged again. We've heard from experts, each with their own perspectives on Bitcoin's potential. But even they can't offer absolute guarantees. The factors influencing Bitcoin's future value are numerous and complex, including global economics, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and public sentiment. All these elements combined create a dynamic and unpredictable landscape. Investing in Bitcoin, like any other investment, requires a well-informed strategy and a healthy dose of caution. While the allure of high returns can be tempting, it's crucial to remember that the world of cryptocurrencies is volatile and unpredictable. While the future of Bitcoin remains a mystery, one thing is certain: it will continue to captivate us all. Stay tuned for more insights and predictions in the world of cryptocurrencies.